Alright guys, final days of the wrap process. We've taken way too long on this car. It's exactly a week since we started, but today we're doing the rear bumper. Once the rear bumper is done, we're gonna do the side skirts and then put everything back together. I've just been dragging on this car. But this bumper should be relatively easy. I'm just a little concerned with this part right here because it is considered a recess, and this bridge right here isn't that bad. I need to stretch the vinyl left and right, so when I heat it up, it'll hug into this. So if I were just to lay it with no stretch, it's gonna have some slack and pull right out. But the fact that like saran wrap, if you pull left and right, it's gonna have a horizontal stretch, so it's gonna hug into this recess very easily. So that's the goal, and also it'll help with the bottom too. It'll hug the vinyl underneath if I have enough stretch in it. In the rear, there is some chrome right here too that I'm gonna leave with the reflector. I just think it's gonna look clean, but we're gonna go ahead, clean up the floors a little bit because my dog has been running around here, so her fur's everywhere. Once we clean it up real nice, I'm gonna clean the whole entire bumper with alcohol, lay the vinyl, pull it back, and start wrapping. So we'll be right back. Car is completely done. I do have some problems with the rear. Same thing happened with the last vinyl, the white one. This recess is really deep, so it is popping out a little bit right there. So I might have to rewrap the bumper, but my girlfriend doesn't care about it, so we're just gonna leave it. But it looks really nice. All done, completed. No major issues. Door handles are nice, the cups are nice, nothing is peeling back. As you can see there, roof was wrapped in Avery gloss black. As you know, it's been raining a lot, so the car is kind of dirty for the most part. Here's the front end, looking nice and shiny. So that's the difference between having a matte or satin finish. The reflection on the satin is way nicer and shimmery than a matte finish. This right here is matte metallic black from Vivid, so it has a little bit of a shimmer in it. It's hard to tell. I wrapped this part because it's like usually like aluminum finish, but I wrapped it black just to break away a little bit. But let me see if I can get down here. Yeah, so this is matte, and then this is satin. This has a nice shimmer on the edges, whereas this one's more of a uniform color. Corners looking really nice, edges looking really nice. Same here. Sorry, I'm inside the garage, but it's been about probably 3 weeks since I finished that car. I was supposed to post the last video on that Friday, but I didn't get a chance to record anything because it was raining really bad. I've been really busy with work as well. As you know, I got a new job now at Acura instead of Nissan like I did last year. If you follow me on social media, you know that I was detailing a red Lexus IS 250. I'm still doing roof wraps on customer cars and things like that, and I gotta keep you guys updated on things, but we'll do that on another video. So I'm gonna end this here. When I have time, I'm gonna go and put a video together, a cinematic video on my car and my girlfriend's car, showing the chrome rose gold and the satin rose gold from Vivid, and just to see how well they look side by side in comparison. Probably do it for you sometime this week, and you know, just give you guys something to watch. But I'm gonna end this video here today. I'm sorry it took forever to put this video out, Hope you enjoy. For all those new subscribers, please watch the other videos on my channel. Those who've been staying tuned since the beginning, from 0 to 5 subscribers, thank you for coming back and watching. Please hit the like button, turn on the bell next to the subscription button if you want to see new videos, and leave a comment if you're glad that I'm back. You also know I have an S2000, which is right here, and I'll be uploading those videos shortly. So stay tuned, and I'll see you then. Peace.